Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hi, is that Tanya?
Yes, this is Tanya.
Hi, Tanya. My name is Baltaza. I'm calling you from a bank tourism company, hey?
Oh, okay. Number
Well, I got your number from Anisu. She's a tourist player in Dubai. Do you know Anisu? She says she's your friend, eh?
Oh, yes, yes. Anistia.
So I got a big surprise for you, okay? Something that
Okay.
could get you $500 to $1,000 a day. How is that?
Yo, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, but you got to answer two simple questions first, eh?
Okay.
Number one, do you want to earn $1,000 a day, US dollars a day?
Yeah, it's obvious. It's obvious.
Okay. Number two, are you single?
It depends on the job.
Or is it?
Yes.
Okay, so listen, I'm telling you this now, okay? I got investors from Dubai. They're coming through next week on Monday. And they want to, they want to look at investment opportunities in Zimbabwe. And they want companionship and entertainment from local women, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah, I'm single.
Oh, you're single. Okay, cool. Okay, so these guys will be traveling to Big Falls, Kariba, Nyanga, Vumba, Wangi National Park, and also part of Harare, to look at investment opportunities. So this might mean that you may have to spend nights in hotels in those places, if you know what I mean.
Morning after
Well, you're a woman, so you know better, hey? You know better.
Yeah, I get you.
Okay. So are you available for 2 weeks, including spending nights away with these guys? For 2 weeks,
Yes.
they're around.
I'm available.
You're available. Okay, cool.
Yes.
So, okay, hold on. So I'm going to write, you're available. So, hey, Tanya.
Yeah?
You're inside Chocolates and Roses, and my name is Scott or DJ Scott, hey?
What?
Yes, I want to find out from you. Your husband Ishmael, who is away on a cruise ship business for 6 months.
This is not right.
No, but we want.
No, sorry, Papa. I was just joking. I didn't even mean it anyways.
Oh, but you agreed to.
I no longer want to talk to you.
Well, okay. No, it's all right.
No.
Anyway.